Top story. Farmers who walked almost 2,000 kilometers from Sumilao, Bukidnon to talk to the president will finally have a chance to do so on Monday. The farmers, led by their legal counsel, Attorney Marlon Manuel, will discuss with President Arroyo their petition to reclaim 144 hectares of farmland bought by San Miguel Corporation in 2002.
You do not have to wait for big events or crisis periods to become heroes. Do you remember in 1986 what a person named Cory said and announced to the world? Sometimes the majority is one woman with courage. I believe that it is not numbers, it is quality, it is courage, and you are here, not many in numbers, but big hearts.
Mabuhay ang mga magsasaka! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang mga magsasaka! Mabuhay!
Of why are there 3 brigades of the AFP in one small island of Sulu?
Islam is not the issue here. We are not putting up an Islamic state, so don't worry.
As usual, the most vulnerable are always the poor, the farmers.
Ang problema ninyo sa Luzon, problema namin sa Upit, problema namin sa Mindanao.
This time, as Attorney Candelaria said, the body count is increased. The military commanders have changed. The hawks are over and above the dove.
So, yun yung
What we know is about 10%. It is a genuine para makinig kayo lahat. At inyong maalala, kung last year, nabubuo pala yung idea, this time medyo mas naayos na ang commitment is this time to make this really a network that will bring together the different peace efforts.
For us, the Waging Peace Conference is a very big opportunity to engage the panels at this point, whether inside the formal peace negotiations or outside.
The Justice Department and the Armed Forces supports the proposed revival of an anti-subversion law.
DAR is still waiting for formal notice from the Office of the President on the revocation of the conversion order. It will then take 15 days for the department to give San Miguel a cease and desist order, as well as begin screening of the beneficiaries of the 144-hectare land.
Burgos mom is asking the court for permission to inspect military camps and safe houses that may have had something to do with the disappearance of Burgos. Jonas Burgos has been missing since April of this year.
This could be the first time the U.S. has ever placed human rights conditions on military aid to the Philippines. The Philippines is the largest recipient of U.S. military aid in Eastern Asia.